Hello, welcome to today's class. My name is Domino Morin, and in today's class, I'm going to show you how to buy Dogecoin step by step on Binance from Canada. If today is your first time of visiting my channel or watching my video, please hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any vital information on crypto investing. So let's get right into today's class. Step 1. You're gonna log into your ShakePay account, and we're gonna do this right on our phone. So get your phone and log into your ShakePay account. So now we're gonna log into our ShakePay account right on your phone. Okay, so go ahead and do that. But if you don't have a ShakePay account, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below so that you can open your account. I'm also gonna leave a link in this video above here so that you can watch my previous video on how to open your ShakePay account and also fund your account. And if you do so by funding your account with at least $100 or more and buy any crypto of your choice, you're gonna get at least $10 in cash back. Okay, so go ahead and log into your ShakePay account. Step 2, you're gonna fund your account. Again, if you don't know how to fund your account on ShakePay, if you just follow the link in the description below, it's going to show you step by step on how to fund your account. Okay, so as you can see, I already funded my account with $100. So the next thing we're going to do, step 3, we're going to buy Bitcoin. So you're going to click on these two arrows here, so go ahead and do that. Gonna click on buy and sell instant, this one. Now we just want to buy $50 worth of Bitcoin. Okay, so I'm going to enter $50 here, right? Then go ahead and click buy Bitcoin. Then you're gonna click on confirm, and voila, we just bought 0.00111,339 Bitcoin. Okay, so step 4, we're gonna send this Bitcoin that we just bought on ShakePay, we're gonna send it into our Binance account. Okay, so now just go ahead and click on close. Okay, so now we're gonna log into our Binance account. Okay, so go ahead and log into your Binance account. So once you log into your Binance account, you're gonna come under fiat and spot. That's deposit and withdraw. So click on it. Once you click on it, you're gonna come under deposit. Again, we want to receive Bitcoin from ShakePay, so we're gonna click on deposit. So right here under deposit, we want to deposit Bitcoin, right? So this is my own Bitcoin address, this one here. So what you can either do is you can copy this address. Once you do, you see address copied, right? Or you can just click on this toggle, this thing here. This is what I usually do. And usually it takes few minutes for your account to be credited with the Bitcoin that you send from ShakePay. Okay, so again, you're going to just copy this address, or you're just going to follow this other step that I do. It's very, very easy. We're just going to scan this code here. Okay, so now what we're going to do, you're going to log back into your ShakePay account. Go back to your ShakePay account. So right on our ShakePay account, you're going to click on send. So go ahead and do that. You see this 4 squares here, yeah. So you're gonna click on that. So just click on it. Now it's going to give you the option to scan, right? So we're just going to go back to our Binance account. And then we're just gonna click on this. You see automatically the address has been populated to my ShakePay account. And if you can see in this on our Binance account, we can see the address here started with 1HS9. If you go back to our ShakePay account, You can see it's also showing 1HS9. If you look at the last 5 numbers or the last 5 digits, that's 5K and H7. Come back to Binance, the same thing, 5K and H7. So it is correct, right? So you come back to your ShakePay account. I just want to send all the Bitcoin that we just bought. Just say maximum, right? Just say maximum. Then you click on continue here. Click on continue. Once you do that, you're going to click on confirm. And voila, it just said you sent 0.00112429 BTC to this address, which is your Binance address. Okay, so we're just going to wait for our Binance account to receive the Bitcoin. Okay, so here you can just exit out of your ShakePay account. Just click on close. You can see we don't have any Bitcoin here anymore, right? Now we're gonna go into our Binance account. So usually you're gonna receive a notification here. Right now we don't have any yet, so we're just gonna wait. Okay, so now we can see this notification here. We can see that the Bitcoin that we sent from ShakePay is now in our Binance account. Usually you're gonna get a notification, just as we can see here. Here you can see deposit successful. It took about 20 minutes for this to get into my account. So yeah, so now that we know that this has been successfully deposited, you just click on it, click on I understand. If you just wanted to double check if let's say for example you did not receive the notification, okay, another way that you can check if the Bitcoin has been deposited into your spot wallet is you're gonna come under wallet, fiat and spot. You click on it. You're gonna come under deposit. And if you just scroll to the bottom a little bit, you're gonna see the history of your transaction. Okay, so right here is telling us that on this particular day, we just received 0.00112429 Bitcoin. Okay, so that's another way for you just to confirm that you did receive the Bitcoin that you just sent from ShakePay. Okay, so we're going to convert the same amount of Bitcoin to Dogecoin. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this. The next step is for us to go on the market, but before you do that, make sure that your trade is set to classic. Okay, just make sure that it's set to classic, because if it's on convert, you're not going to see the option to convert your BTC to Doge. So let's say for example you just click on convert, right? Now we want to convert Bitcoin, right? We just paste the amount, and I come here and I say okay, Doge. If you just search for it, you don't even have the option for Doge. You see, there is nothing for Doge. But if you come under classic, right, just leave it on classic, then you go on the market, you click on BTC market, and right on the BTC market you can see that you can convert your BTC to Doge. Okay, so you're just going to click on trade, right under here, click on trade. And once you click on trade, you're going to scroll down a little bit. You're going to come under market. And as I said, the quantity of Bitcoin that we want to convert, I'm just going to paste it. And I'm just going to say buy. Okay. And here you can see I just bought Dogecoin. And that's it. So for you just to confirm, okay, you want to see the amount of Dogecoin that you just bought, you're going to come under fiat and spot. You can just do show balance. You can see Doge here. It's the value of the Dogecoin that we have right now. And this is the quantity of Dogecoin that we have. Okay, yeah, so that's just the easiest way for you to buy Dogecoin on Binance from Canada. Okay, in our next class, I'm going to show you how to transfer your Dogecoin from Binance to your Ledger wallet. As I've often said in previous classes, never leave your crypto on any exchange. If you do, you leave yourself vulnerable to hackers should the platform get compromised, okay? And also ensure that you get your Ledger wallet only from Ledger to ensure the authenticity and security of your device. Please don't get this from a third party like Amazon or eBay. No, don't do that, okay? I'm going to leave a link in the description below for you to access the official Ledger website safely and securely so that you can get your own Ledger wallet, okay? I currently use the Ledger Nano X and it's very, very good. Again, just make sure that you get this directly from Ledger, okay? So we've come to the end of today's class. If you found any value whatsoever in today's video, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. And if you have any question whatsoever or video suggestions, make sure that you leave them in the comment section below. I read all your comments out and I'll be very happy to help. Okay? And until then, I'll see you in the next class. Bye bye.